Okay, we're gonna do a street called Avenida de Amizade, and it's right next to Waldo. Here's Waldo Casino right here, and there's also this little alley. This is called Hua de Xiamen, named after a city in China. And there's Golden Dragon Casino straight that way. There's the Institute of Polytech University right there, and Hua de Xiamen kind of goes into this little pedestrian residential restaurants area. And but anyways, we're gonna be following Amizade next to Waldo, and then come out, and we'll show you what's over there, and then kind of come around a little bit. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, Avenida de Amizade. So there's Waldo. We're next to Waldo, kind of in this little alley right there. MPI, Macau Polytech Institute. It has different acronyms, also IPM, you write it in Portuguese, and Instituto de IPM, Polytech Macau, or something like that. Anyways, here's the Waldo right there. And right straight ahead is another casino called, what's the name of that one? It's Grand Lapa. So Grand Lapa is next to Sands Casino. So Sands Casino is a pretty big one on this side. And there's, you can see a little bit of Sands right there. Another casino there called Palace, I think. And this is the outside of Waldo. So there's Waldo right there. And over here is where the Grand Prix stuff is located. So we just kind of come over here. This is all that Amizade Street anyways, so you can kind of see how this is all connected. So there's this is called ZAPE area with Waldo. There's some other casinos down there. Fisherman's Wharf is right over there. Grand Lapa, which is a hotel right there, and then this is the Grand Prix stuff right here. Let's kind of look down a little bit. So there's Waldo. It's kind of cool up there. Buses going across. Okay, so we're going to keep on going. And as you can see, that little street is interesting because this little ZAPE area, sometimes these little streets like that go in a little bit. So we're definitely going to see another one later. So we're going to follow the main street for the time being. Looks like we have another casino right here, I think. Let's see what this is. There's a giant lion right there. Two giant lions. So that may be just a residential, but they have this beautiful map up there on the ceiling. That's why I was thinking it could be a hotel. But if it is, it's not labeled clearly. Maybe it's labeled from the street. Could walk over and see, I guess. No, I don't see any label. I don't see anything. So I don't know, but it has a beautiful map. It might be just a residential that's... So we're still on our main street here. Here's Grand Lapa over there. And then we're gonna be crossing into a little park right here. This park has a different name, but it's also on this street as well. So yeah, I could film this little area right there. That's a totally different name, and I think it goes with this park right here. But instead, we're gonna just keep on where we're at right here. So yeah, this park is called Receta de Miramar, as you can see right there. And I think that our street definitely goes down that way for more. And but I think we can also let's just check out this park real quick. Yeah, nice. Apartments up there. It's nice. You can come down here and exercise. So we'll just keep on our main road here. I do want to film that, but maybe another time. World Trade Center right there. I want to film it with the same name. Okay, so here's another underground to go from Nape to ZAPE, or ZAPE to Nape, I mean. Nape is that area over there. And just keep on checking stuff out. So we're still kind of on our main road. There's some little alleys that go back in there. And I saw up here somewhere, I saw that this street goes in and a little bit, and we're gonna take that when we can, just so we can put everything together a little bit. There's a little underground, so you can go over there to the World Trade Center right there. Or you can take the elevator as well. The elevator also goes. Let me see. So this is called Rua de Nagasaki. So Rua de Nagasaki is right here. And I did film that one recently, so that goes kind of in this little pedestrian area. And they're doing a little bit of construction in this area as well, as you can see. And we're going to keep on going. So this is still our main road right here that we're following down. Some more residential over on that side. Stop. Judicial police. So I guess this is a police station is right in here, I guess. So I have to be careful when I film. So we're gonna keep on walking down. Yeah, this is all one police station, I guess, so let's keep the camera straight. Then we're gonna go all the way down to, so this street will connect to this, this little alley. So I think the next alley has the same name as this major street that we're on. So we're gonna definitely check that out in a minute. I think it does. I think it might be this street right here. So I think this street will connect. And then that one is ZAPE. So there's a Star World Casino right there. And yeah, it does, Avenida de Amizade. So now we're back on this little street, which is, we started out on a little street like this too, right? So some of these, in the ZAPE area, there's some of these little streets share the same name as the big street. And I believe this is the name of the big street, if I remember right. Might have to check it later. If not, we'll just name everything Avenida de Amizade, because definitely fits for these two. And now we got these beautiful little pedestrian residential area. Huh. Looking at some of the names here. The Plaza Guest Fondue de Plaza. Casa de Café It's like Portuguese. One House Cafe or something like that in English. First House Cafe, maybe? I don't know. Primero, I guess would be. Is one. Anyways, Avenida de Amizade. And there's more residential, and it kind of ends up in this little area right here. And that goes by a different street. So we'll just kind of end it right here. It's Landmark Casino. And now you kind of have this interesting context of Avenida de Amizade with this little side street here. And there's another side street way down there that we also captured. So okay, hope you like that one. There it is right there. We'll end it right here.